Hello students, let us continue the session on ratio and proportion. In the previous session, we had discussed till question 9. We shall continue with the question 10 onwards. Question 10 is, in a college, out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of first one, number of girls to total number of students. Second, number of boys to number of girls. Third, number of boys to total number of students. Here, let me mention the given things. They have mentioned that the total number of students is 4,320 and the number of girls given are 2,300. So the number of boys will be the total minus the number of girls, and we get it as 2020. Now we shall find the first ratio. Here the first one is find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Therefore, the ratio will be 2,300 upon 4,220. This can be expressed as 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 115, and 4,200 can be expressed as 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 216. Now, very clearly, these numbers, they get cancelled and the ratio will become 115 upon 216. For the second, we have ratio equal to number of boys to the number of girls. Number of boys are 2,020 and the number of girls are 2,300. This can be expressed as 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 101, and 2,300 is 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 115. So these terms, they get cancelled and we get the ratio as 101 upon 115. The third one is ratio equal to number of boys to total number of students. Number of boys are 2020 and the total number of students are 4,320. This can be expressed as 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 101 and 2 multiplied to 2 multiplied to 5 multiplied to 216. So these terms, they get cancelled and we get the result as 101 upon 216. Question number 11. Out of 1,800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket, and remaining opted table tennis. If a student can opt only one game, find the ratio of the number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. That's the first one. Here, the required ratio will be equal to how many students they have opted basketball. Is 750 upon the number of students who opted table tennis. Here, from 1800, we need to subtract the sum of 750 and 800, and we get 250 as the number of remaining students. They have opted table tennis. So 750 upon 250, we get 3:1 as the required ratio. For the second, the ratio required will be equal to the number of students who opted cricket, that's 800, upon the number of students opting basketball, it is 750. So 0, 0 will go cancelled, 5, 18, 16 times and 5, 15 times. So the required ratio is 16:15. The third one, the required ratio is the number of students who opted basketball, that is 750, upon the total number of students, which is 1800. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 25 times 75. Sorry, 3 25 times is 75. 360 times is 180. Further, it can be simplified. 5 5s are 5 12s are. So the ratio is 5:12. This is how you should simplify and express the ratio in the simplest form. Question number 12. The cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180. Cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of cost of pen to the cost of ball pen. So they have given for 1 dozen, that is the cost of 8 dozen pen is rupees 180, and the cost of 1 pen will be equal to 180 upon 12, because in a dozen there are 12 pens, so rupees 15 will be the cost of 1 pen. They have also given that the cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56, so the cost of 1 ball pen will be equal to rupees 56 upon 8, we get it as rupees 7. Therefore, required ratio will be equal to 15:7. Question number 13. Consider the statement ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of hall. Here they have given the length to be, I'm considering this length to be 50 meters and the breadth to be unknown, it's x. I'm taking it as x. Here I have to consider the ratio of breadth upon the length equal to 2:5, that is 2 by 5. Now I'll do cross multiplication. I'll be getting 5x equal to 100. So x will be equal to 100 upon 5. We get it as 20, and it is there in terms of meters. So the first blank is 20 meters. For the second one, they have given the breadth. Breadth is given as 40 meters and the length is not known. I'll take it as some y. The ratio of breadth to the length is 40 upon y. This is equal to y5. Let's do cross multiplication. We'll be getting 2y equal to 200. So the value of y will be equal to 200 upon 2, which is 100 meters. So the first blank is 20 meter and the second blank is 100 meter. Question number 14. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. Here, the terms of the ratio 3:2 are 3 and 2. So the sum of the terms will be 3 plus 2, which is 5. Now, Sheila will get 3 by 5 of total number of pens and Sangeeta gets 2 by 5 of total pens. This implies that the number of pens with Sheila will be 3 by 5 of total is 20 pens, so we get it as 12. So she'll be having 12 pens, and the number of pens with Sangeeta will be 2 by 5 of the total number of pens. We get it as 8. So we have divided 20 pens accordingly with the ratio 3:2. Question number 12. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If the ages of Shreya is 15 years and Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. Here they have given the ratio of the ages. Ratio of ages will be equal to 15 upon 12. We get it as 5 by 4 or 5:4. Hence, mother wants to divide rupees 36. Correction. Is rupees 36 in the ratio 5:4. Here, sum of terms is 5 plus 4, which is 9. Therefore, amount Shreya gets will be 5 part of 9 part of rupees 36, and this will be equal to rupees 20. Amount Bhumika gets will be 4 out of 9 parts of rupees 36, and this will be rupees 16. So mother will divide 36 rupees into 20 and 16 rupees according to the ages of Shreya and Bhumika. Question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of. First one is present age of father to the present age of son. Let me write the first answer here. The required ratio will be equal to present age of father is 42 and the present age of son is 14. It can be further simplified and we get the ratio as 3:1. The second one, age of the father to age of son when son was 12-year old. Remember friends, son was 12-year old 2 years ago. So father's age 2 years ago will be equal to 42 minus 2, which is 40. So the ratio will be equal to 40 upon 12. We can further simplify and this becomes 10:3. Third one, age of father after 10 years to age of son after 10 years. After 10 years, father's age will be 10 to be added to 42, we get 52 years. And after 10 years, son's age will be 14 plus 10, which is 24 years. Therefore, the ratio is 52 upon 24. Further, when you simplify, you get 13:6 because both are divisible by 4. In the fourth question, age of father to age of son when father was 30-year-old. It's very clear that 12 years ago, father's age was 30. At that time, age of son will be 14 minus 12, which is 2. Therefore, the ratio is 30 upon 2. We get it as 15:1. This completes the exercise. We shall start the next exercise in the next session. Thank you.